You hit 1,000 subscribers. You crossed 4,000 watch hours. You applied for the YouTube Partner Program, and then that email arrived. Rejected. That one word can feel like YouTube just slammed a door in your face. But here's the truth. A rejection is not the end. It is actually a roadmap, if you know how to read it. And today, I'm giving you the exact 7-point appeal strategy to flip that rejection into approval. First, let's talk about why YouTube rejects channels at all. The most common reasons are reused content, low original value, policy violations, and inconsistent branding. YouTube's review team, yes, actual humans, spend roughly 3 to 5 minutes scanning your entire channel. They are not watching every video. They are looking for red flags. Understanding that changes everything about how you approach your appeal. Here is mistake number 1 that kills most appeals before they even start. Creators reapply immediately. The moment they get rejected, they hit that appeal button within hours. That is the fastest way to get a second rejection. YouTube's system flags rapid resubmissions as low-effort appeals. You need a minimum of 30 days of visible improvement before you even think about reapplying. Patience here is a strategy, not a weakness. Now let's get into the actual 7-point strategy. Point 1. Audit your entire content library before you do anything else. Go through every single video on your channel. You are looking for 3 things: videos with low watch time percentages, videos that could be flagged as reused or unoriginal content, and videos that look inconsistent. Make a spreadsheet. Be ruthless. This audit is the foundation of your entire appeal. During your audit, pay special attention to your oldest videos. Most creators start with lower quality content. That is totally normal. But if your first 10 videos look like they came from a different channel entirely, that is a branding red flag for reviewers. They need to see a clear, consistent identity. Think of your channel as a store. Everything on the shelf should feel like it belongs there. If it doesn't, it's working against you. Point 2. Fix reused content flags. This is the number 1 rejection reason in 2024. Reused content does not only mean stolen videos. It includes reaction content without significant commentary, compilation videos without original framing, and tutorials that are near identical to hundreds of others with no unique perspective added. YouTube wants to see that you are the value, your voice, your experience, your angle. That is what original content means to their algorithm. So how do you fix reused content flags? You have 3 options. Option 1. Add substantial new commentary or context to any borderline videos using YouTube's editor. Option 2. Unlist videos that are genuinely low value and cannot be saved. Option 3. Create 5 to 7 brand new videos that clearly demonstrate your original voice before you appeal. Fresh, high-quality content acts as evidence that your channel has evolved since the initial rejection. Point 3 is the one most creators completely skip: writing an appeal message that actually converts. Yes, you get a text box. Most people type 2 sentences. Do not do that. Your appeal message is essentially a cover letter to YouTube's policy team. It should be 150 to 200 words. It should acknowledge the specific feedback they gave you, explain the concrete changes you have made, and demonstrate that you understand their monetization policies. Always remember that in your appeal, specificity wins. Here is a rough framework for your appeal message. Start with, "Thank you for reviewing my channel. I understand the concerns raised and have taken the following specific actions." Then list 3 to 5 bullet points of actual changes you made. Not vague promises, but specific actions. Close with, "I believe my channel now fully meets YPP standards, and I welcome a thorough review." That tone signals seriousness to the YouTube review team. Point 4. Strengthen your About page and channel branding. This is something reviewers absolutely check. Your About page should clearly explain who you are, what your channel is about, who it serves, and how often you upload. Add a professional channel banner. Make sure your profile picture is clear and recognizable. These are trust signals. A channel that looks abandoned or generic raises immediate red flags for the review team. While you are improving your branding, also check your channel trailer. If you do not have one, make one today. It should be 60 to 90 seconds max, and it should answer 3 questions: who you are, what viewers will gain from subscribing, and why your perspective is unique. A channel trailer signals to both viewers and YouTube that this is a real, intentional creator. Point 5. Actively boost your watch time before you reapply. Quality matters, not just the total number. If your average view duration is under 30%, YouTube's system may see low engagement as a signal of low-value content. During your 30-day window, publish content engineered for strong retention. Tutorials and listicles consistently outperform others. How do you engineer retention? Start every video with a clear payoff promise in the first 15 seconds. Use pattern interrupts, a change in visual, tone, or pace, every 90 seconds. End segments with a mini cliffhanger before transitioning. Always tell viewers why the next section matters. These are not tricks. They are the architecture of videos people actually finish. And finished videos are what YouTube rewards. Point 6. Remove or unlist your problem videos. This feels scary. Creators are emotionally attached to their content. But if you have videos sitting on your channel that are policy risks, they are not assets. They are liabilities. Unlisting is not deleting. Your watch hours still count. You can always relist after approval. Think of it as temporarily clearing the stage, so the reviewer only sees your best work. That is not hiding. That is smart presentation. How do you identify which videos to unlist? Look for videos that have over 50% of their traffic from external sources. Look for videos that received community guideline warnings or copyright claims. Look for videos with significantly lower engagement. And look for anything that does not clearly fit your niche. These are the videos most likely to trigger a second rejection. Remove the risk. Point 7. Time your resubmission strategically. This is the most underrated point in the entire strategy. Do not reapply at the end of the month when YouTube's review queues are typically backed up. Do not reapply right before major platform policy changes. Check the YouTube creator blog regularly. The best window is typically Tuesday through Thursday, between days 30 and 45 after your rejection. Timing affects the quality of attention. There is also a community dimension to your appeal strategy. During your 30-day window, engage actively. Post in the community tab. Respond to every comment. This genuine engagement signals an active loyalty audience. Engagement rate is a soft signal that influences how your channel is perceived during manual review. You've got this.